Hello my dear students, this is Akash SD and welcome to the ASD physics classes. Hope so, doing good. Let's learn energy concept in a oscillation. So the question is, a particle executing simple harmonic motion with amplitude A has the same potential and kinetic energy at the displacement. Is it? So what is happening that here in the question they told amplitude. Then what is the amplitude? Amplitude means maximum displacement from the mean position. So here let's learn here. Let's take here this O is the mean position. Okay, and this one plus A, that is called the extreme position. Now, and this side minus A is also called the extreme position. So in oscillation what happens that when the particle goes from mean position to the extreme position, its potential energy will increase. Is it? So this is the graph of potential energy, this green color. And at the same time what will happen if this in case undamped oscillation, then potential energy will increase, but at the same time kinetic energy will also decrease. That means this yellow color is the kinetic energy graph. So here you can see that right side also same story, left side also same story. So both these graphs are meeting at one point, this point. And at this point what is happening? Both these energies are equal. So in the question what they are asking, this they are asking here. Let's take here, this is the x. So this side we have to calculate x, this will come positive, and at the same time this x will come what? Negative. Is it? So this is the concept here. And this one, this is the total energy, and this is given by half Ka square, total energy, this straight line. Okay, so if I write here the potential energy, so potential energy in case of oscillation is given by half Kx square. Which graph is there? This green color here. And at the same time kinetic energy is given by half K A square minus x square. K is the force constant, x is the instantaneous position, and A, as I told you, amplitude. So according to the question what will happen that here, according to question they told that this potential energy is equal to kinetic energy. Let's put the value here. So half Kx square is equal to half K A square minus x square here. Now after that what will happen that here, both the sides half K cancel. So x square is equal to A square minus x square, or we can tell 2x square is equal to A square. Is it? That means after that we can write here this x square is equal to A square by 2. Hence x how much? Plus minus A by root 2. Is it? That means this one value how much here? A by root 2. And here this one is how much here? Minus A by root 2. So correct answer is here just magnitude A by root 2 is